Hi guys, welcome to the world of AUTEC where technology meets tradition. My name is Behzad. I'm the chef and founder of Moosh NYC. For the first part of Omusando, we need to make our rice. I prefer using Japanese rice or short grain rice here. Today I'm going to be mixing sushi rice by hand, but if you're making sushi at an industrial scale, AUTEC actually produces the ASM730A sushi rice mixer. So essentially, you would take your cooked sushi rice, you put it in the center here with your sushi rice seasoning, you press start, and within 3 to 5 minutes, you have perfectly mixed sushi rice. The first part to the rice, we have to wash it, put into cold water. It's really important to brush the rice on either side just to get some of the starch away. I don't think there's any culture in the world that takes rice as seriously as Japan. I think it's a cornerstone for so many great recipes. Just add our water to our rice. We can get our rice up to a simmer first. Our rice is now cooked, so we're going to transfer the rice into a bowl, being very gentle with it. It's good to spread out your rice flat. It helps us season it more evenly and allows some of the steam to dissipate. To season the rice, you're going to mix together a bit of sugar, tiny touch of salt, and some rice vinegar. So this is going to help our rice have that umami, that savory flavor that we're looking for. So I want to season a little bit of the rice at a time. Using the back of a spoon, very lightly, just folding and incorporating the vinegar into it. So essentially, we're just trying to break up the granules and expose the rice to as much of the vinegar, sugar, and salt liquid as possible. So as it starts to cool down, the rice is naturally going to soak in all the vinegar that we're dressing it with. So now we're gonna let our rice cool completely while it's absorbing all of that vinegar. Traditionally, we'd be using a Japanese wood paddle, shimoji. Alternatively, you can use the backside of a spoon if you're kind of in a pinch, really being careful to not mush the rice and being very delicate with it as you're seasoning. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about AUTEC sushi robots or reference any of the recipes that we've demonstrated through this video, just follow the link below, and thank you so much for watching.